The experiment that we are going to do today is about gelatinization of polysaccharides. One of the polysaccharides is starch. So, the source of starch that we are going to use in today's experiment is rice flour, wheat flour and corn flour. We will also see what is the effect of various factors on the process of gelatinization. So, for that purpose, we are going to use salt, sugar, milk and lemon juice. Apart from this, we will be needing beakers for boiling the starch with water and different additives. Apart from that, we will be using hot plate and stopwatch. We have weighed around 1 gram of the corn flour sample, which we are going to use it for gelatinization. Likewise, for each process of gelatinization, we are going to weigh 1 gram. For the first part of the experiment, we have chosen corn flour. So, what we are going to do is, we will take 1 gram, with the weight has been noted down. We will take approximately 1 gram of the corn flour sample and mix it with 25 ml of water, distilled water. To this beaker, we are going to add 25 ml of distilled water. You can see the graduated cylinder here. It is filled with 25 ml of water. So, we will pour this 25 ml of water in the beaker. The next 1 gram of corn flour we are going to transfer in another beaker, which is marked with 50 ml water. So, we have transferred 1 gram of corn flour in this beaker, and to this we are going to add 50 ml of distilled water. So, now both the solutions are ready to be placed on the hot plate. We have placed 1 gram of corn flour with 25 ml water and 1 gram of corn flour with 50 ml of water on the hot plate. Use a glass rod to stir so that the corn flour mixes with water completely. We have to wait until the solution starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, we will use stopwatch to record the time. As you can see, the solution of 1 gram of starch and 25 ml of water has started boiling. We will start our stopwatch. To see the effect of various factors on the process of gelatinization, we will be using 4 different additives like lemon juice, sugar, salt and milk. To start with, we have taken a beaker and to this we will add 1 gram of corn flour. To this we will add 25 ml of distilled water. We are now going to place this mixture of 1 gram of corn flour and 25 ml of distilled water on the hot plate. We have placed 1 gram of corn flour and 25 ml of water in a beaker on the hot plate. Use a glass rod to stir the mixture. Add 1 ml of lemon juice to it. After this, we are going to wait for this solution to boil and note down the time. The mixture of corn flour with water and lemon juice has started boiling. So, we have started our stopwatch, and once it boils completely, we will remove it from hot plate and allow it to cool and note down the time taken in formation of the gel. For the next set, we will take 25 ml of water plus 1 ml of milk. So, now I am going to put 1 gram of corn flour in this beaker, and we are going to add 25 ml of water. This solution will now be placed on the hot plate, to which we will add 5 ml of milk. We have put 1 gram of corn flour and 25 ml of water, and it is mixed completely. Now we are going to add 5 ml of milk to it to see what is the effect of milk on the process of gelatinization. To see the effect of salt on the process of gelatinization, again we will take 1 gram of the corn flour, the sample that we have been taking, and we are going to do a comparison. 1 gram of corn flour and mix it with 25 ml water, distilled water. We will place this solution on the hot plate, to which we are going to add 1 gram of salt. We have placed our mixture of corn flour and 25 ml of water on the hot plate. Use a glass rod to stir and mix the corn flour and water. Once it is mixed completely, you have to add 1 gram of salt to it. And now we will wait for the solution to boil to start recording the time. You can see the solution has started boiling, and we will start our stopwatch. Another factor which we are going to assess is by adding sugar to the mixture of corn flour and water. So, for the purpose, again we are going to take 1 gram of corn flour, and to this we will add 25 ml of distilled water. Place this solution on a hot plate and stir it with a glass rod. You can add 5 grams of sugar. Stir well so that the sugar mixes with the solution. Allow this mixture to boil and record the time as the boiling starts. As you can see, in the first 25 ml of water and 1 gram of corn flour, the gel formation has taken place. You can see thickening of the solution, and if I keep it undisturbed for more time, it will become like a thick gel. This is another solution with 50 ml of water, 1 gram of corn flour with 50 ml of water, and in this case you can see that there is no gel formation but only formation of a viscous liquid. In this sample of 1 gram of corn flour with 25 ml of water and 1 ml of lemon juice, what is observed is that the gel formation retards little bit. However, it may not be seen immediately, and if you store this solution if you store this gel for a long time, then it may become less viscous. Another mixture that we can see is that of 1 gram of corn flour plus 25 ml of water and 1 gram of salt. Salt doesn't have any effect on the process of gelatinization. You can see formation of a thick gel over here, and it shows that salt does not have effect on the process of gelatinization. In this case, what we have added is 5 grams of sugar, and what is observed is that the process of gelatinization slows down on addition of sugar. Affects the process of gelatinization is addition of protein. Here we have taken milk sample as the source of protein. However, the effect of protein is unpredictable. In this case, we can see formation of a smooth gel due to addition of milk. As you can see, all the samples are placed and the time is being recorded. All the 6 mixtures are there, starting from 1 gram of corn flour and 25 ml of water, which has converted into gel, 1 gram of corn flour plus 50 ml of water, which will remain as a viscous liquid. Then 1 gram of corn flour with 1 ml of lemon juice, 1 gram of corn flour with 1 gram of salt and 25 ml of water. What is observed is that lemon juice slows down the process of gelatinization, whereas there is no effect of salt seen on the process of gelatinization. The other 2 factors which we have assessed is addition of 5 gram of sugar and 5 ml of milk. Addition of milk, because milk is a protein, has unpredictable effect. In this case, there is formation of a smooth gel, whereas addition of sugar also retards the process of gelatinization. Likewise, we will perform the experiment for the remaining samples which were shown to you earlier, like rice flour and wheat flour, and we will observe the effect of various factors on the process of gelatinization. Also, we are going to record the time to see how these factors affect the process of gelatinization.